Discipline that will change your life. What if I told you that one simple shift, just one discipline, could completely change your life? It's not magic. It's not motivation. It's something more powerful. Discipline. Let me show you how. What is discipline really? Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in action. It's doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Think of discipline as the bridge between goals and results. The one discipline that changes everything. The life-changing discipline. Daily consistency. It's not about doing huge things once. It's about doing the right things every day. Examples of powerful, consistent disciplines. Waking up at the same time daily. Reading 10 pages a day. Writing or journaling for 5 minutes. Planning your day the night before. Moving your body daily. Why it works. When you practice discipline daily, you build momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence fuels belief. And belief changes your identity. Conclusion, the challenge. Ready to change your life? Start with one small discipline. Stick to it for 30 days. Watch how you feel, think, and grow.